All right, so today on the what we have is we have a 22 Wild Track Bronco. We have a Speed Logix oil catch can that we're going to be installing today.
We're installing that on the 2.7.
The 2.7, pretty easy install. The kit is complete. What you're going to want to do is you want to get in here. Your oil catch can is going to be sitting about in this general area. Comes with it's pretty self-explanatory. So you're going to undo this little clip and pull him out. Pull this little clip here and pull this guy, and you're going to set him aside.
Yeah. Gonna just slide on.
So you'll see the kit comes complete. Already has the clip-ons for you. You're going to want to. It comes with the hoses for you already. So you're going to want to take these and you're going to push these in here for you. So we'll do this next. So the benefit of this is going to help separate oil that's going through this line right here. So it any debris, anything that goes in there, it'll catch it in the can. And the cool thing is every so often you can just go in, unscrew the can. There you go. You can see how it catches any debris, anything going through. Helps keep your engine clean. Right, so here's the canister, supplied bolt, and we're gonna kind of get this guy up in here. Find a good position for him. Try not to drop the bolt. All right, and what drive do we have here?
That is a 10 millimeter.
The famous 10 millimeter. Pretty good there.
So we should put it on and take it off.
What's that? All right, you'll see that I took, correct term for this?
Quick disconnect.
Quick disconnect. Took the quick disconnect, put it on the hose. What we're going to do first is we're going to put it on here. We're going to get our position so we know if we need to trim the hose down any. That one might actually be pretty good.
That one looks good.
So this guy will go on here, and then this guy would go on here, and just shove them on as hard as you can.
So if anything, I guess some at the house, some like zip ties.
Or if I should disconnect so I can rotate it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know Brian makes me jealous. He can just reach right in there.
Yeah. Well. There. How's that? Is that on there good, you think?
Yeah, they're good. Looks really good.
And there we go, our finished product. You can still get to the canister really well to empty it out, check it. There you go, complete setup. Definitely worth it.